fellow researchers, your wait is over. The Scopus has come up with a big update that they have released the 2025 list of journals. Okay, so this is the Excel file which I have downloaded. You can find it here. Okay, so this is the Scopus, sources December 2024, accepted titles, okay, and discontinued titles. You can find it here. So what are the titles which I have discontinued? And now you are ready to submit your article in the journal. Okay, so if you want this particular Excel file, please check the link in the description or the pinned comment. You can find it there. Okay, so that is what. Let us just go ahead and see here. This is what I'm actually waiting for. Okay, so the big update is here. Now if you just go to the Scopus website, you can see here that you have all these things. Okay, and if you just click on this, okay, let me just randomly click Nature Review Molecular Cell Biology. You can see here that it's extended to 2025. Okay, and also if I'm just clicking on the first one, let's see what is that. Okay, it's haven't extended. In this case, you have to wait for some time. Okay, if you are planning to submit in this journal, you have to wait. Likewise, you can find whatever the journal if you are searching for. I got a lot of requests from many of the researchers. I'll just search a few subjects here. Okay, other than that, I'll be releasing it one by one, either in this week. So stay till this. So here many requested for computer science. I'm just going with the journal. So in the left side you can see all the filtering options. Okay, so you can find the filterings here and click here to apply. So you can see that, okay, these are the journals which are there for computer science, and I have selected general. So, and if you just if you just expand this, if you click on this right arrow, you can also see who is the publisher. Okay, so if you want to go ahead with Korea Information Processing Society, just right click here, open this in a new tab and see, but here it's not updated. So what I can suggest you is wait. Okay, until they have updated, just please wait. You can just search for some other thing. Okay, it's also still 2024. It's good to wait, other than like simply going ahead and submitting your journal, submitting your article. Okay, please wait until it updates. Okay, so you can just check here. Okay, the King South, let me just go ahead with some other publication here. I think it will be updated. Yeah, here construction innovation is extended up to 2025. You can see. So if you want to find this particular journal, just click on search construction, and here you can see what is the what are the scopes, like subject area they are just covering: architecture, building and construction, computer science, general computer science, civil and structural engineering, engineering control system and engineering. And if you click on this, like you can see, I think Emerald Publishing, they'll also provide you the waiver for your publication. And if you are planning for open access, you have to pay the amount, or else if you are not planning for open access, I think you can submit your journal. Okay, just click on this author guidelines. You can see what are the things which they have mentioned. Open access, fee, you can just search for a fee. Okay, so you can see that what is the fee. Is there a submission fee? The only time we will ask for the money is to publish in the golden open access route. Only if you are going with the open access, golden open access, and you will be asked to pay APC once your paper is accepted. And if you want to get the waive off, you can also get it. How to submit for the waive off? You can go and check in my channel. This is my channel, Goms Tech Talks. If you haven't subscribed yet, please go ahead and subscribe here. And here you can find an excellent playlist called All About Research. So you can see here, this is all about research. Okay, so once if you click this all about research, it will take you to this particular playlist. You can find nearly 120 plus videos. And if you just go ahead and search for waive or fee, publication fee, okay, I think it's still loading. So you can just search for okay, so let me just show you where it is. I think it's loading, that's why it's not coming up. Okay, so you can find that video here. Okay, so how to write an email to get your waive off. Okay, so letter to the editor or the letter to the editor. Yes, here it is. So letter to the editor, writing a letter to the editor requesting to reduce the APC charges. So you can use this. Okay, and also I wanted to tell you that I am conducting a webinar on plagiarism free research, where I'll be discussing about various AI tools That will help you to reduce your plagiarism. And also I'll be telling you how to understand this plagiarism and how to get rid of this. So only 86 seats left, so please go ahead and reserve your spot. You can find the previous sessions, like last week I have conducted a session on AI tools for research. So here you can find all the testimonial and the feedback provided by the participants. Okay, so just go ahead, and if you want to join this, please join here. And yes, this is what. And if you require this particular Excel file, this is, I have given the link in the description, or sorry, in the pinned comment. Okay, so if you want to see all the sheets, you have to click here this three dots, so that you can see all the sheets here. And you can see that it's a Scopus December 2024. Okay, so even in this particular sheet, you can see few article journals may be in the red color, which means that it's inactive and discontinued. Okay, so you should be very careful, and you can just filter it out. How to filter? Just on the top you can see sort and filter. Just click on this, okay, and click this filter. And once you click this filter, you can see there is some drop downs appearing here. In that, you can just go ahead and remove this inactive and click OK. You can see only the active things here, and you can also find until when they have activated. See, here it is like 2000 to 2025 they have activated, but these things are active but they haven't extended it. Okay, so you have to wait for some more time, please. So you can choose the 2025. That will be great for you. Okay, so yes, that's all. This is the big update I just wanted to tell you. I'll be coming up with all the recent, like what are the various journals like which are requested. I'll be coming up with those videos soon. Just stay ahead, and also just to keep watching this channel. You can find all the information here about the research, and don't forget to join this webinar, which is on 25th of January, which is coming on Saturday. Okay, so please join here. I'm very happy to see you all there. Thank you. I'll come up with the next video. Just stay tuned. Take care. Bye bye. Have a great day and happy Sankranti.